Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start on the Ps4 home screen, go straight to Settings and select Network. Once there, choose Set up Internet Connection and pick Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your cable. Make sure to select Custom so you can control every value. You'll keep most values automatic except DNS. That's the only way to force the console to use a different resolver. Have your preferred primary and secondary DNS numbers handy before continuing. You proceed step by step. IP address settings remain automatic unless you have a static address. Keep DHCP hostname. Do not specify an MTU, automatic. Now the critical moment, when the wizard asks for DNS settings, pick manual. Enter your primary DNS in the first slot and secondary in the next. This directs the Ps4 to query those servers only. Once entered, the console will continue to the rest of the setup. Verify NAT and connect. Finish by saving the configuration and running an internet connection test. This confirms DNS, NAT type, and download/upload connectivity. If DNS lookups fail or the PSN won't sign in, first power cycle the router and Ps4, then re-enter different DNS servers, for example swap between 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8, because some ISPs block specific resolvers. Make sure to test again. If nothing works, change DNS back to automatic to restore default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.